Welcome back mga ropa, kwentuhan muna tayo. Pag-usapan natin ang 51 points na ginawa ni Justin Brownlee. Ito na lang ang naging reaksyon ni Coach Tim Cone at ni Justin Brownlee sa nagawa niyang 51 points against sa kupunan ng San Miguel Beermen. Nang matanong itong si Coach Tim Cone kung paano nila nagawang naipanalo ang laro against sa San Miguel Beermen, hindi rin siya makapaniwala na nanalo ang kanyang kupunan.
I don't know. Guys just came out and played. I was kept their poise. They came down and got good shots.
At ang sinabi niyang rason kung bakit daw nanalo sila sa endgame against sa SMB ay ang pag-locate ng mga players ng Barangay Ginebra kay Justin Brownlee.
They found Justin, and I think that's really key. I don't think we did that in our last game when we were up in Candon. So
hindi pa rin talaga makapaniwala si Coach Tim Cone na tinalo ng team nila ang kupunan ng napakalakas sa San Miguel Beermen. Dahil ayon sa kanya, hindi pa talaga buo ang chemistry ng kanilang lineup, pero dadating din naman daw sila sa puntong makakabisado na nila ang isa't isa.
I have to admit, I'm a little bit surprised we beat San Miguel today, because I just don't know if we're at the level we need to be at yet. But we'll get there, and we just expect to continue to improve as we go along.
Nang matanong naman si Justin Brownlee about sa kanyang 51 points sa kanyang career high sa PBA, sinabi niyang gusto lang talaga niyang manalo at hindi siya nag-expect ng kung anuman.
What does it mean to you having another career high night here?
Just happy, just to keep winning. We won the game, and that's what really matters. My teammate did a great job, like Coach said, give me open shots, give me the ball in comfortable areas, and they got a lot of trust in me, so I just try to go out there and just stay aggressive and try to help out the team as much as I can.
Nang matanong naman si Justin Brownlee tungkol sa kalaban na import na si Jordan Adams ng San Miguel Beermen,
the intention is just to try to do whatever to win the game. Jordan Adams, he's an incredible player. He got a great resume. He's played in the NBA and pretty much all over the world. So I give him a lot of respect, and I respect this game. And it was a fun matchup. Give a lot of credit to San Miguel. They played us tough as always, and just happy. We shot better than the other night. Like Coach was saying, but he gave us a lot of confidence to go out there and be aggressive. Shoot your shot if you feel comfortable with shooting it. He said he'll let us know if it's not a good shot or not, but he gave us confidence to just stay aggressive no matter how we shot the ball last game, and I think the whole team did a great job with that, moving forward from last game.
Kayo mga ropa, ano masasabi nyo sa 51-point game ni Justin Brownlee? Pwede kayo mag-comment dyan sa baba, magkwentuhan tayo.